I'm not so sure, but I'm not so sure what happened. I'm not so sure what happened. The connection went bad, went down. Let's see if I can connect this back. I don't know what happened, Nation. The Wi-Fi just give me. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I have to use a different device, but yeah, the Wi-Fi just went down a while ago. Yeah, tag, share the live again. Let me see if I understand this phone. Group sharing. Yes. So, yes, I'm back. Hi, Rudine. Hi, welcome into my life. We were here before discussing about Good Friday, and I don't know, we had a breaking transmission, so I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Welcome in. Welcome in. I don't know, Jackie, like the Wi-Fi went down, so I'm using data. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm back. Yeah, so the good old days, man, when you use the skipping rope, the whisk, a skipping rope, and you know, we 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 skip till the rope they mash up, and then we go home back now. After we go home now, parents get mad because we reach back late. I remember we used to have river. We used to go river, a country. Whoa, when we go river, river. You beat. So when we come home, reach home at night, you're white like chalk. White. Parents, one of them from morning. Where were you guys from morning? And we are get the excuse them, and we get the excuse. Some of my cousins they get beaten, but me run when my mother, when them my auntie I get I beat the cousin them, me gone, me run gone. And I stay. Run gone and my mother because we were like close by, side to side. Country people, country houses, family houses are close. So you have your cousin living here, so your auntie here, so your cousin here. So we had a good time. We had a good time that time. River was the best. White and me say, all when we're hungry now, we eat, we drink coconut water till we belly full with coconut water those days. Coconut trees, where are you? Those days, coconut tree, we pick jelly, we eat jelly, meat, we go back up bed, we eat. We not cooking up, we not have nothing for cook. We never care nothing for cook, but we eat, and we eat jelly. Oh my God, those were the day we eat natural stuff. Anything that we can find. Mango, when we go river, anything out there. We used to have so many things. Drimbling, we used to have coolie plum, we used to have red apple. Yeah, those days were, me say, those days were good old days. You could find so many natural things to eat. You don't have to go home. But you run go home, you're not hungry. And some people used to have banana, ripe banana out there in the field. We used to, what? Those days were good old days. You couldn't hungry when you're small like that. If you grow in country, you can't hungry too much. You have too many trees. Yeah, too many trees that you can get things to buy. We had a property near the river and we used to go I don't want to say it Lola, but basically that's what we do because we never have enough of we place. So we go reap. We go read, man. I miss those days. Me too. Those were nice days. Heather, not so sure if you know what we're talking about here, but yes, when we look a bit, we used to have no fun. A country. We used to enough nice time, you know. We never have the technology, we never have the high-tech things, but we used to create them for ourselves. We used to create balls. We used to all make the balls to play slip in the middle or dandy shandy. We used to make the balls out of box, drinking box, stuff it. When that lick, you know, man. And some people are go for lick, you know. Some people are go for out if you pretend say. If you pretend say you're a big sighter, some people said for you, you know, like myself, me used to good, you know, me used to make the 10 and make my friends them come back in. So me used to good with that. Yes, mango. Yeah, man. You used to good with the sleep in the middle side. So when the box there, if you feel out, and if the box there, God eat your supper. But anyway, we did still like it. We did still have fun. We did still we did still like those days, and I still miss those days. But you know, things and time have changed, so we have to move with the time, move with the technology. Our children coming up will never ever use know those days unless we do something like this, like a video like this, and put it out there so that people can see and hear what we used to do first time. Yeah, I have like what do you call it now? Memories stored for persons to know what happened then, right? It's real. It's really real. It's used to never be never rich, and the outside toilets. Lord God, man, I used to hate that. I used to hold everything. I used to hold everything until daylight. I used to hold everything because I never want experience for going at them place day and night. I never want to go. Man, those days, bathroom outside. You have to bathe outside. Some people bathe at night and then afraid when they feel bathe and something. Those days you have to tell your sister or so, come follow me go bathe, no follow me go bathe. Because you're there all boat and never want to go bathe until late. Late catch you. You never have electricity like this, like that. We never have electricity like that. We never have so much street lights, so the place did dark. Peeny Wally did out there. No. Yeah. And we never afraid. Somehow we never afraid, you know. We only did afraid of one another. We never afraid. No, we only did afraid of like when them said dopey. But we never afraid of nothing else, and nothing else at those times. Those days were peaceful, very peaceful. No war, no nothing like this. And thieving is only like take a thief one of your mango, or thief pick a apple or something like that. Those were nice, beautiful, safe days. Yes, those days were so safe. Yeah, you could sleep with the door open. Only person will come in there to do and come eat is if you have food by your table, they might eat it out. But nothing else. It was the good days, very good days. No clue, but enjoying same way. Of course. Thanks, Ada. Box juice box. Yes, man. You used to catch shrimps. Yes, you remember that little something there in the river? Man, those things in the river, we used to catch them for chew and go and cook shrimp soup or whatever it is, roasting a fire. We jump fence and pick our neighbor's food. That a regular that nation a regular. I used to go and my neighbor mango tree got thief man and then start run for my life. That sweet me. I chew Jackie, remember, and we have to come. Now, you see, why she have to come alive now? I'm alive. Sure, speak to her now, Heather. I know, right? My favorite, one of my favorite, baseball, hopscotch, Chinese kid, jacks. Yes, man, all of them something. Baseball, hopscotch, Chinese skip, everything. Those things were nice. These children nowadays only know TV and phone and tablets. Exactly. They don't know nothing more, nothing more. Just technology. We need to teach them about our lives. We need to come back, sit them down, and tell us let them know what we used to go through as children. They are living their best life. No, we need to tell them. I love the outside toilet. Bullfrog. Jackie. That's why I used to friend. I used to keep everything till the next day. Daylight out. Tell me about it. Our neighbor always threatening to call the district cause and when them are coming up, them are come with like one button. Then I have nothing else. Them days when nobody now walking on gun like that. And if the ranger man a come and want lick a pie, then him a shoot pie up in the air and run with them. That's it. Them apply. Yeah, man. I really enjoy my childhood days. Me too. Me too. Used to play ring games, 1, 2, 3, red light. Yeah, man. All of those things were awesome things. Comment them. Me try for teeth them mango till me run, till me drop bruise my knee. Oh, Jackie. And when your knee bruise up, then time then hot, you know. Hey, yo, and when your mother put on the purple dress upon it, them days a bruise needed hot. Mm-hmm. You can't clean the floor, you know. That time you used to clean the floor, you used to have brush. The brush them where you go down by your knee and the red polish and clean the floor. Man, when your mother wake up, the floor shine like what? Happy Good Friday, happy good for those days. It was so amazing. It was really amazing. I wish those days could come back. Yes, but without the pit toilet and the darkness. Yes, yes, Jackie, those days were good old days. I like it. I love it. Those days you never have to complain about anything because that's what you used to and that's what you know. All you know, you eat, you drink, you sleep. TV was like bold and beautiful. And when it's one name, when next show every night after news we sit down and watch it. Bold and the Beautiful, and there's another one. I can't remember it, but those were the show with Alexis, and I don't remember the stars, but those days, those were the two television show that I used to watch every day, every evening. I make sure I bathe and ready and sit, and people used to come to our house to watch those shows because some people still never have TV. It's just a few people at TV where you could sit and watch the show, and sometimes you want to sleep, you know, and people still are watch show, and I was still late, you know. Man, those days, oh my God, those days. Yes, those were the days we learn a lot as children. Big Boy, Anansi, Duppy Story, Miss Lou, talk. When you sit down and listen to them movie story, there, you know, you don't want to move, you know, rest if a Duppy Story, you know, move, going on, wake, you're afraid. Yeah, I remember those, the Dynasty. Yes, oh, I could ever forget it. Dynasty. But Eda, you're going, man. Eda, you're going. Yes. Dulcimina. So guys, I'm going to tell you one story about Dulcimina. I don't know if you're laughing. All right. So guys, I have a pet name. So my pet name was given to me by my great-grandmother. She used to stay with me when I was a baby, my mommy say. All right? I didn't know her, you know, because she died before I get big. So the Dulcimina story, she used to love listen to Dulcimina on the radio, my mother said. And when my mother used to go out, man, you know, then time they have like a dance, like a, what you call it, poker? When I used to go a game when they go play at Christmas time. So my mother used to leave me with my grandmother. Other people in the house, because my auntie used to take care of her, and My cousin them used to live there. And guess what? Dulcimina was coming on every evening. And my grandmother loved it. Me now, me hear say I was a crying baby. I used to cry, 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 cry. And my grandmother used to hush me, hush me. My great grandmother used to hush me. And she used to sing to me and she used to say, do la me do. And from the Dulcimina song, she used to sing. And she used to sing that song to me. And guess what? My pet name was Tick. Like Dule was my pet name, Dule, coming from Dulcimina story that my great grandmother used to listen to. Yeah, cause she was blind also, so she never used to see me, but she did like to hold me and stay with me, and she always ushered me for my mom. So great grandma, may your soul rest in peace. I talk about you every day because of this pet name. Yeah, so that's the story of that. Our days was the best is those things that our parents teach us, help us to be who we are today and to be grateful. Sames already in Lime Tree Lane. Jesus, that couldn't miss me. Yes, Jackie, Dulcimina, Dulce. My parents used to watch it and Dallas. Yes, 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 yes. I used to wait on Oliver to come on. Me say, those things were awesome. Miss Lou with Ring Ding. Me say Ring Ding used to be so you're near show now. Ring Ding used to be one of my favorite. It now miss me every Saturday. Me sit down in front of the TV like me there at the show. Okay, Edda, your mom told you about it. Yeah, really yes. Falcon Crest, man. Falcon Crest is not maybe not Bold and the Beautiful. It's Falcon Crest and Dynasty. Yes, those two show on TV. Yes, Lola. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Tamasha. Welcome into my live. I used to sneak behind the big chair in the living room and peep and watch. Really? They never used to make you watch it. You were, oh yeah, if you were maybe or 3, 4, 5, maybe not because you have kissing and so and them used to be so strict on those show. Wait, what you are to watch because you're not to watch those show if they have a little kissing in there, you can't watch it with them. And if you even sit down and watch it with your parents, you blush, you cover up your face and you not look. You not look. I used to be like that, and I used to be so embarrassed when I see those things happening in show. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. Fresh Prince, of course, but that Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, of course, with Will Smith, of course, definitely. Of course, I am much better. Oh, Tamasha was ill. I'm not so sure who is Tamasha though. The YouTube names are some of them. If it's not your real name, I'm not familiar. I know. Think there is Kerry Berry, Redeem. Yes. Yeah, those days were really awesome. So, guys, you guys have your bun and cheese already? Any bun and cheese eating? I don't eat any bun and cheese from morning. I went to church. I must confess. I went to get fish from fish pot. Sovereign locked down tight because it's Good Friday. And I was kind of lazy. And I decided to stop at Burger King to get breakfast. Burger King didn't have breakfast, so I had to take a sandwich. Yeah, so that's what I have so far from morning. Not so sure what I'm going to cook because I'm sure going to be hungry. Rudy, nice to meet you. Happy Easter, Tamasha. Tamasha, give me your right name, please. Or just tell me who you are on FB. Yes, I just finished frying my fish and do some festival here. There. Care some come give me there. But no, you know what? If you was spread out, not true. I'm not getting no fish. I should me not go country, you know. I've been doing fish fillets. Beg some Narudin. I hope we go get some real country food. Some real fish. That is your right name. Okay, follow me on Facebook because I don't remember that name, please. My son-in-law treated me to a nice slice. Me say, Lola always looking. Oh, thank you, Jackie. Thank you for coming over, Tamasha. I appreciate it. I know I didn't know the name. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, Lola. I have the good family them, you know. The other day, she was waiting on her daughter, chicken foot soup. And guess what? Today, her son-in-law treated her slices of bun and cheese. Because you live the good life, then. You deserve it, yeah? Live your life. Live the good life, because you deserve it. Okay? You deserve it. You more than deserve it. Where are you guys? Kingston, I'm Kingston. I was on your apple picking live also. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, man, Tamasha. Yes, follow me, man, and because you will see my videos on my page over FB. Happy Easter to you, Lola. Yes. Happy to see you. Just tag your friends, and we're one big family. We are one big happy family from Planka Shop and from Your Majesty and from Latoya Mullings. We are one big happy family, and from T Nation, yes, we are one big happy family. I treated them well, of course. So I can see why they are treating you so well now. You deserve it. You're the carry other one go to New York for her, please. Have a good Friday, everyone. Hi, Shireen. Welcome in. We are here reminiscing, girl. You can watch over about the lives, them to hear what we have discussed so far. But yes, we are having a great time. And by fish, yeah, I know Old Harbor have fish. I was told Old Harbor have fish, but like travel like that. Like drive up on it. I better to go the other side, which is St. Thomas, which is the side I used to. My side, St. Thomas will have fish, but sometimes I don't think they have fish because fish is sort of scarce over that side. But I know Old Harbor. My friend told me that she go beach in Old Harbor and just see the fish them a swim around. So Old Harbor always have fish. I go just beg somebody to buy it over that side if I don't get in country over the weekend. You hear Nation now? She a cook stew peas. Seriously? Nation today a Friday, no? On a Saturday? FedEx it to Heather, yes. Yeah, she's in Kingston. It seems like she's in Kingston. Fish scarce in St. Thomas right now. Yeah, I know. Are you from that side, Tamasha? I know it is scarce. Are you from that side? Nation, I'm sending a courier. The pigeon. Send the pigeon for it. Or a drone. Drone will not miss. Oh, okay. You're near Old Harbor, so you're good. Peanut, yes, I am having a wonderful Good Friday. I went to church this morning. When I came back, I have my breakfast. And then when I looked, I was on Planka Shop. And then after that, when I look outside, it was raining. So I decided to go and sleep. So I went to sleep and I wake up back and it was still raining. So I am relaxed today. I am relaxing today. You see, me showing a cook big food like a Saturday. Oh, yes, Tamasha. Oh, Mom. Welcome, my parishioner. Welcome, my parishioner. I'm from that parish, honey. Yes, I'm from Morton side. Yes, honey, but you're near me, man. You're near town. I'll be on a Stone Shore way. Yes, if my home was that near, I would go home every day. But all the way into Morant Bay with this road even worse. I used to do it. I used to travel every day for over 10 years, back and forth. But it is a lot, especially when you have the trucks and bad roads now. It's a lot. No pigtail through salt beef. I don't eat pork. Oh, you're using salt beef. Okay, you don't eat pork nation, no? Oh no. Half a life gone. A joke. Still good. Salt beef is still nice with pigtail, and you can put some chicken foot in there. Yeah. So I visited the Mineral Spring at Bath. I've been in love with that area. May I tell you that's where I'm from, Heather? Yeah, that's where I'm from. I have some bath photo video on my channel too. I did the bath fountain, I believe, and I went over to the botanical garden. So I think that is on my channel. I know you don't eat pork, but me have pigtail in my. She can take out half quarter it, quarter of the pigtail, quarter of the stew peas. When it thing there, she can pressure the pigtail, dip separately, take out half of that when it and it finish cook the salt beef part, and then cook on the pigtail with it for and send it come. Not true. Yes, Jackie. My auntie was a Arden 70. My auntie was, may her soul rest in peace. She's a good 70. And she cook anything we want, She cook it and she not taste it. And when she cook, you lick off your 4 fingers. People say that's why I am like this. I like it's like I'm like my auntie, because she used to love to cook. I tried. Maybe it's in our DNA. Yeah. We are a cooking family. Monday when I'm going over Dover, I will drop off it. Of course, watch ya. Dover, here I come. Here there. I'm going out for dinner tomorrow, so I'm cooking today. I don't normally cook on Fridays. Oh, yes, I remember you said that before. I have a question, if it's okay with you. What's the question? If it's appropriate, yes, Peanut. You're going Dover. I used to go there before the big, okay. All right, so ready in going to Dover Monday. I want to go Fun Fest. I want to come back over for Fun Fest. Fun Fest will be in Hope Pastures, Hope Gardens. I want to come back over for that Monday. But there are some things that happening this weekend in country that I promised them that I would just pass through, and then I would just go and look for my family. Yeah. But I really want to be back at home for Fun Fest. And I have been there. I love the hot water. Man, it's great. And guess what? I go to the bath. I go inside. I do the inside too at bath fountains. But I mostly goes to the up the top there to the stream. I used to afraid, because that walking to go up there, I hope them put some other things in place for that walking. At a point over there, you have to have somebody who can lead you. And most time the guys them will lead you and carry you up to the bush and go to where the real thing is, the real hot water stream, the real cold water stream. Everything is real up there. The real what you call it, what they put on your body. So if you ask for that, you have to have a little change to pay them, yes. But it's the real deal. So when you're done, any pain, where if you have any pain and you believe when you go up there, man, it's good. Come nation now, come and go bath. Come and make sure you drink some of that water. My God. It's healing. It's healing. It's a healing stream. Lola here, but not sure. Oh, you don't, Tamasha. Okay, I have some family living in Bad surname Biggs. Maybe I heard that name before. And the question is more like a funny request. The request is, can you puff up your cheek as big as you can? I don't understand the question there. The journey up is scary. I like, yes, that's what I'm talking about, Tamasha. I don't want to say it, but yeah, I'm afraid of heights, so it's scary for me. Yeah, you have been there, Jackie? Have you been there? It's heaven on earth for real. It's really good. I'm encouraging you, if you're not feeling well, if you're feeling pain or whatever it is, try out Bath Fountain. I think I am a friend with them on Facebook. You can go to their page on Facebook and look at, sometimes they are live. Very nice. Yeah, man, it's good. I have a fear of heights. Me too, Heather. Afraid of heights, bad. But it's been a long time now. I don't go up there. Yeah, because remember, we had COVID and all of those things. So I went to Bath about 3 times before. Okay, great. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, Jackie, you've been there. Oh, so that Jackie have been in my parish. Oh, I love St. Thomas. I love St. Thomas. You just need some, we just need some, what do you call it now? Some more jobs, better road. But St. Thomas people are nice people. We have nice things there. We have nice we have I call it nice history out there. We have Paul Boog, we have a Stony Guts, we have Bath Fountain, we have the Botanical Garden, we have much more thing. We have you ever been to what the place name? Reggae Falls? I've never been to Reggae Falls. It's in St. Thomas and it's great. I've been seeing reviews and I've seen persons that been there, but I've never been there. It's kind of a little distant from where I live in St. Thomas, but persons have been there and it's great. Reggae Falls, it's a big take. It's a big take. Just type it into to even YouTube and you see videos on it. Yeah, okay, yes. We just need good road. Definitely. Just good roads we need. Yes, Nation. I've been to Reggae Falls 3 times. Really? Oh, I want to go. I want to go to Reggae Falls. Alright, it's so nice. It's so nice. The fall is so nice. If you're a lover of river and water, guys, St. Thomas is the place to be. We have nice rivers and seas to beach. The beaches are nice. Yes. I must go to the beach when I go. I want to go to the beach. I hope it doesn't rain. Yeah. We have those nice things. I grew up like on the beach, for instance, and rivers. So, for instance, sometimes we don't have water in our pipes, so we have to go to the river or there's a pipe at the sea beach, which is close by, very close. Prospect Beach is next door. It's just right over there. Walk to it and get your bucket full. And them days, yes, we used to carry water upon our head. Yeah. Never been there yet. Me either. I want to go. Yeah, of course. You know, please. Of course, I'm born there. The people were so nice, but the only problem was the men looking right, me right in front of Obi. Oh no. Then Brighty, a country girl, I'm from Portland. Okay, we are neighbors. Ah, I saw them bright. Yeah, true. I saw them stay right in front of you. Then I care. I've been to the 14 parishes. Yeah, I have been to the 14 parishes. Yeah, the smallest of them all, Hanover. Hanover, I believe, is the smallest parish. I have been into Hanover and driving in the bus, and the sea is right there, like it's right in the road. Yeah, it's true. St. Thomas nice. Of course, St. Thomas nice. It's nice, but whenever my bro visit Jamaica, it's always Portland. Tell him to, he can just come down. St. Thomas is just quite a little distance. It's not far from Portland. It's not far from Portland. It's right there. So yeah. So Portland and St. Thomas neighboring parishes. They are excellent parishes. Portland is superb. I love Portland too. Portland beaches are so for me. So for me. So shallow and nice. I love Portland beaches. They are even shallow, more shallow than St. Thomas beaches. I just love Portland beaches. Portland is cool. And I love St. Anne. I've been to so many beaches down that side. I love that side too. But persons always going that side. They're not so sure about this side, but we're just highlighting St. Thomas to say, yes, we have these things over here. So come on over, man. And road a fix. So we're gonna take maybe 30 minutes or less from Kingston to into Mart Bay when we road fix. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the highway done, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Highway is coming. Yeah. Highway is coming soon. All we need is the road to fix so we can travel back, and definitely Spanish Bridge one time. I've never gone. I heard about that bridge. Portland is awesome. Portland is top of my list to see when I come down again. Yes. Yeah, Portland is great, Ethel. Portland is great. Portland is great, yeah. Make it be. You will never regret that trip. St. Anne, everybody go St. Anne, you know, St. Anne is spectacular. St. Anne is awesome. Awesome. Where I've been to down there to St. Anne, I've been to at the beach name. What the beach name again? I can't remember, but on my bucket list, let me see. I have some places that I've been to on my bucket list down that side. And it's awesome. Oh, I need to end this. So this one never end. This one was still going. But there's a bucket on my bucket list. I've been to oh, I can't remember out my head the places. But yes, Jamaica have some great places. Great places that you can come. Guys, if you're abroad, come and over and enjoy our beautiful island, Jamaica. Yes, we are warm people. We have a lot of history, and we have a lot of memories you can take back with you when you go home. I'm trying to find my bucket list road trip. Let's see, one something say road trip. No. I normally write down the places that I've been, because for me it's not good. Sometimes I will surely forget. And that's what that's what happened now. I'm forgetting But Nation, you can type up some of the places them, cause I forget. Let me tell you when I go down there. That comment about Portland was for you. Oh, who have been to St. Anne? I've been to St. Anne many times, enough time. I've been to Duns. Yeah. I've been to Sharky's place. At St. Anne that? I not even remember the place where I've been. I think Sharky's is a little bit about out of St. Anne, yeah. I've been to something another cove. What name again? I love country, it's the best. I'm from St. Elizabeth. Yes, man, country life is very nice. Went to the farm in St. Thomas where I got a guava the side and shape of a pear. Jesus! Really? That sounds big, Lola. Oh my. Ray, welcome into my live. Ray Gibson. Welcome in. Yes, you're a Jamaican girl. Yes. Yeah, we are Jamaican. Yeah. I was in here there. She come at Jamaica in my birth month and I come look for me. My hobby is from Mandeville, so I definitely love the country. Oh, Mandeville is so beautiful. Mandeville is nice. I'm always in Mandeville most weekends. Dunsville Fall, yes, I've been there. So Jackie, I spent my Christmas in St. Louis. It was fun. That should be okay. Never been to Duns River. I love St. Anne's, Green Gato. Yeah, I've been to Green Gato Cave. Where else? I've been to so many places. Cause we used to have this trip every 3 months, I believe, where we go. And when I was young, the first work I have, when I was working at an high school, every summer we take a round country trip right around the country. Only parish they leave out at the time, I believe, was Portland. I don't remember which one, but one parish we didn't go in the weekend experiment. Like we drive and stop at places anywhere night catch us. We book into that place. We all go up and party, fire boats, a St. Anne, a party on the sea, with fire and them something there. Those were the days. Those were the young old days. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Sharkies. Yes, I've been to Sharkies. And there's another one that I like to go. I took a lot of picture there. I remember it. Welcome, Ray. Welcome. Yes, welcome, Ray. Guys, welcome, Ray. He's a newcomer. I'm not so sure, but he respects us, saying we are real Jamaican girls. Tamasha, Negril, Duns River. I went to Kingston to buy cakes from Auntie. Okay. So Jackie, she went come up Planka shop, you hear there? We will have to link up, have lunch when I come down again. Of course, Heather. Of course. Bob Marley Museum. I've been to the Kingston one, not the St. Anne one. Welcome, Ray. Welcome. I didn't go to Bob Marley. I've been to so many beaches in St. Anne, because most of our trips are around Portland, Trelawney, St. Anne. Yeah. And the rest of the country, maybe we pass through them. We go Mobay too. I've been to some beaches in Montego Bay. Very nice beaches. I was trying to have a good time before COVID. We were trying to do this, but COVID came and stopped. Yeah, I found it, bucket list. All right, so yeah, man, adventures, Frenchman, Bamboo Beach, Wise Falls, Strawberry Fields. I think this one is in St. Mary, Margaritaville, Conoco Falls, yeah, Reggae Beach. I'm not so sure. Yeah, Reggae Beach. This and it said I've been there. So my confused. Puerto Seco. Yeah, I've been to those places. Yeah, and I've been to Dolphin Cove. Yeah, Dolphin Cove. I think now has some things going on. from mountainside close to Black River. Okay, welcome, Ray. There is a Healing River as well in St. Anne. Okay. And one Snow White. Okay, I used to have so much fun before the big. Yeah, man. The big siege. Bay Beach. Wise Falling, St. Elizabeth. Okay, Wise Fall. Yes, oh my God. St. Elizabeth. See? We got Wise Fall and we got Conner Falls. Mercy. Who wants to me? I'm going to repost those videos. I think I have some of those videos on my channel. I don't remember if I did it. Those times, I don't believe I used to do videos, but I used to do a lot of videos and post it on my WhatsApp status. And my sister used to say, Anne, you're wasting your talent. You're wasting your time. Look at these videos you're putting on WhatsApp. Why don't you create a channel and just put them there? And I say, you're right, sis. You're right. And that's when I started the channel. My sister was the motivator behind it. Yeah. And that's when I started to put up these things. And the other day I went to that place on the river thing. Right? Yeah. I went to that thing. That is awesome. I don't know if it's in St. Anne. I think that's in Trelawney. That's in Trelawney. River Rapid. Let me see, but I never put it on my list. Yeah, River Rapid is in Trelawney. Yeah. It was awesome, girl. Water for how much? Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove. Yep. You know much water you will be on River Rapid? Almost an hour of water, just water on down the river. And yes, you wouldn't even realize you are 1 hour until when you come back to shore. Because you get so many experience on it. You have a fall in there where you go and you the guy helping you swim off in the fall. Lord Jesus, it deep. I swear, I was scared, but it was nice. The experience is good. Thank you, Lola. Have a blessed and peaceful rest of the Easter. I know you will. A lot of places in Jamaica for you to see. Either you can come every holiday or every year for your vacation. I love Dolphin Cove. I enjoy swimming. Yeah, I've been on the dolphin thing. Yeah, man, I've been out there and I went on the, what do you call it now? The ship, the party ship or party something. I went out at sea. When I went over there, I went to the back of that new hotel, the refurbished hotel, what name? The expensive one. I don't remember what name again. Soon tell you. We went to the back of it where they have dolphins in the cage, and we were there interacting with them. They were jumping up and down, and from over the big part of the cove over there, and we take the party boat right back. So there's a party boat you go on, and then you have the glass bottom boat. I think I was on the glass bottom boat. Yeah, because you could see fishes down there. We could see everything, and the person was telling us about the they call it now the coral and how it is being depleted and whole heap of things. And it was I literally cried when I was going out there. I literally cried. Yeah, in the video. I think it's on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Back at you, Tamar. So I want to say live, live life. Me say, yes, man, I used to go places before sea. Yes, places. We need to start back up because things are getting back to normal. So we need to have some more fun time. Moon Palace. Moon Palace, man. Then it used to name Jamaica Grand, I believe. That place I used to go every year for administrative professional functions, and it's now Moon Palace. Yeah, we take the glass bottom boat from Dolphin Cove and go over at the back of Moon Palace there, and they have some very amount at some good amount of dolphin we do some things and you see them and you take picture and stuff like that. It was really nice. We only have one life to live, so we're gonna enjoy it to the fullest. Of course, one life. Life is just for living. What else is there? You have to create your own memories, guys. There's nothing else there. If you don't create your own memories, who's gonna create it for you? Who's gonna put back these things in a video or in a story to tell you that this is what happened in my life or this is what I did in my life? We will have to create them. We will have to make the things worthwhile. We have to make our life worthwhile. We are the one who make our moments. You get up this morning. If we didn't go to work, that wouldn't be you could have another moment if you don't go to work. If you stay home and do something else, that's a moment. If you go to work, it's a moment. If you go to the beach, it's a moment. So you have different moments in your life. You create them and you are responsible for them. Yeah. Right there, so Rudine, I sure enjoy my country. Of course, Jamaica is beautiful. It is beautiful. Things are happening, but we that are here, we cannot make that deter us from enjoying our country or enjoying our life, our space. We know what is it we want and what is it we are trying to enjoy and appreciate. Because everybody living a separate life. Yeah. To let life enjoy and have fun. Live life like there is no tomorrow. Yeah, because you don't know what will happen. You don't know. I'm talking to you guys and I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so relaxed. I'm feeling awesome. So do something. Try something. Anything. You don't have to be in the street to create your space or create a memory or be happy. Social media is out there. You can make a video, go on Facebook, talk to us, come live, talk to us. If you feel lonely, come and talk to us. Just like what I'm doing now. Talk. Hi, Amar. Finally, Amar catch me live. Finally. Yes, I do. So, Amar, you're not watching my videos? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Thank you for coming in, Amar. Yes, so we're here reminiscing on the good old days that we used to have. And it's before we have technology, before the big C, before everything else. We are just reminiscing on the good old days. Yes, because the good old days, even though it was old and old-fashioned and non-technology, we did enjoy ourselves. Maybe you, Omar, is one of the newbie babies, so the 90s baby, the 80s babies, that have everything and didn't know of the old-fashioned things. This live is to enlighten you, to tell you about what we have been through, what we have gone through. Yes, for those in those times. Yeah, old-fashioned, but in fashion, if you know what I mean. I used to go Negril via Brownstone and take Mobay side coming back. Yeah, that's how we used to do it. So you do your trips from St. Thomas, maybe you go through Portland, go around St. Mary, go down to, I don't know the place set up, but I don't have the map. But yeah, you just you say if you go Portland, you end up at St. Mary, and then you have 3 different excursion, and you cover the entire island in no time. You don't have to do it in one go, and you just stop and enjoy as you go along. You don't have to just drive in through stop. As I said, when we used to go first time, we used to book in. Anywhere night catch us, we used to book into. You never call it Airbnb at the time. You used to call it like I call it a big bread and breakfast, something like that. And we get breakfast and then we move along and go again out in the street, go on one of the fun spots for the day, cool out and have fun. One night come again. If you're at a parish there, we find one bed and breakfast and we book in. That's how we used to do it. Your 80s baby boy. Okay. Okay. Do you have badges? Yes, I do. Badges. Which badge? Which one are you called badges, Omar? So which badge? Which one I call badges? No, I don't have the subscribe badges yet. Only have like the moderator tools. I want to get. I want to promote my channel so that I can, Omar, get those things. So help me to promote it. Help me. And Ritz Cafe. Yeah, Ritz Cafe too. I've been there. It's nice. I've been to Ritz Cafe. It's nice. It's nice there. It's nice. It's nice there. I've been there. I took a lot of pictures there. I love it. And I dance with the guys them when them have the music and I dance and I show us how to dance. I did. I have lots more. That means I didn't put everything on my bucket list, but yeah, maybe those, yeah. I need to add more things to it because I've been to it. I just forget. That thing make our lives change so much. But yeah. Yay. Hi, Tammy. Alika Brata is here. Oh, guys, welcome, Alika Brata. Caller, welcome. Welcome, Tammy. Welcome. This starts with all different colors. No, dear, then I start give me it. I'll definitely do. Yeah, you gotta be. Here, there. Yeah, you see what did I say? Then when me come on for if me I gotta do something at 6 a.m. when we reach Negril, it's 6 p.m. Talk truth. No highway at the time. No highway. The Friday is good. Great. The Friday is good. I've been to church this morning for a long time in person, and it was awesome. The service was awesome. I enjoyed it. And I came back home, as I said, have some breakfast, and it was raining, and I went to sleep and wake up and decide to chat with my people. Yeah. But I'm born in Old. It's a session that keeps at Raytown every day. Yeah, I remember that too. I never used to go, but I used to hear people talk about it. 11 p.m. Oh, okay. It's now, let me tell you what time is it here. 4:12 p.m. Sorry, it's midnight, almost midnight for you. Where you're at. I was just looking at my channel and I stumbled upon your live. Thank you. Welcome. Please follow A Little Brata channel, guys. If you are not yet a subscriber, please go over and support A Little Brata channel. She's our Little Brata family. She helps so many persons, and she's just a great individual, helping out each other in a small way, and we are thankful for her. Please follow our YouTube channel and help her grow. All right, because we are one big happy family. Yes, enjoy your vacation. Anytime I go to Jamaica, we always go to Ritz Cafe. Ritz Cafe is great. It's great. I think I like the food there. Everyone would want there. Geneva is 7 hours. Ooh. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm taking notes. Yes, man. Remember, the quiz are gonna come up, so tell them and support for support. Yeah, it's I don't know. What is it? It's so hard to do. Why is it so hard to just support your friends? As me hear about one channel, so me go over go support. Me not even know if the person are gonna support me back, but me just support. I just just me. I just support. I don't have to do support for support. I just, from my ear, I know the person is good. I just um I just support. Yeah. Welcome, the Cabrata. Honestly, so many people come to me for help and expect me to do everything for them. No more, not. It's true, man. Come, guys. Come on, guys. Liquor Brata, please go over to the page. No, if you're here now and hearing this live, please go and do it if you're not a follower. If you came after this live has ended, please go over and subscribe to Liquor Brata channel. And remember, for YouTube algorithm, you cannot go over and just subscribe. Yes, I need to talk about that. You cannot go over and just subscribe and leave. You must watch the video or videos for more than a minute, or if you want to watch the entire videos, but you must one video, but it must be over a minute. Then after the minute, you subscribe. You cannot just go over there and subscribe. I've lost a lot of person that Auntie Donna sent over just because of that. YouTube will not give you that subscription. They will think it's a spam and take it back when they check their algorithm. So remember, you must watch the video for at least a minute and then subscribe. That will mean it's a genuine subscribe. All right, for the algorithm. So remember, guys, if you go over there, remember what I just said. I have to live my life to the fullest. Of course, Jackie, I'm going to think of what I'm going to do there. Probably use it for miracles. Okay, great. Empowerment. Yes, Jackie. Cross through. Enjoy a moment. Hi, Silver Fox. I don't know who is Silver Fox, but hi. Welcome into my life. Happy to have you. Yes, Tommy, you see, there are some, I want to create a video next time to discuss YouTube. I'm just waiting on monetization and everything because it's a lot, and it's dedication. It's a lot of things making a channel. It's not that easy. It's not just us making the channel and just leave it. It's a lot of work. Yeah. So the other day when Auntie Donna sent a lot of persons, I get a lot of subscribers, but by the time YouTube go over it and check it, they all disappear. Most of them disappear because they didn't spend the time to watch the video after they have subscribed or before they have subscribed. You must watch the video. If you don't watch the video, it's not gonna make no sense. All right? You will get up after this live, Tommy, and you will see you get maybe 3 subscribers from this live to your channel. Cool. If it is legitimate, then the next day or the next 2 days, the 3 subscriber will still stay there. If it is not a legitimate subscriber, after the 3 days and YouTube go through their algorithm, those 3 subscribers will no longer be there. All right? So that's how they work. And I see some of these people out there in my inbox just to get things from me, yet they think it's hard to just give someone else a strength. It's so, I don't know, if you are not doing it, and somebody you know is doing it, why not support the person? You can do it too, it's a space for everybody. So it's not a thing, so you can just why I'm doing it for this person, I can't do it. No, you can do it too. But on YouTube, it's not about us. We are going to need the support from the world, everybody, to make it. We are going to need the support from everybody, whether it's in America, India. I have people from India watch my channel, England, Canada, wherever, Philippines, all of them people, they have them people that will see your channel on YouTube and watch it and build up your channel. Yeah. So it's a world assist us thing. It's not personal. It's not personal. YouTube is not personal. Silver Fox. And they don't realize that if you become monetized on YouTube, they can get more benefit. That's what I'm talking about. If if you can only just give a person a watch and a subscribe and you can't do nothing else, there is benefit to somebody. It's not about personal gain or whatever. I always say, yes, whenever I monetize, I am going to give back. I'm going to give back. I'm going to give back. So it's so important to give and to share with others. It's not about just riches for yourself. No, I need the watch hours. Yeah, I just need the watch hours. That's it. And I'm not really far from it. But if I don't produce like regular and share my videos and person watching my videos to give you the watch hours per day, depends on how you share. Sometimes you lose watch hours if you don't have people to watch you, or people you don't share it to people for them to watch it. That's how it works. But you have some outstanding YouTuber like Auntie Donna, where people always watch her videos continuously. Those are great for her channel, because people always searching for her and looking to watch what she's talking about. That is what we want. Retention, person to continue, sit down and watch your video to the end. Everything in the analysis tells you about that. Everything, retention, whenever you're on booth. Yes, I will. Retention, everything is important on YouTube based on the analysis. So when I go through it, I see that most of the persons that watch my channel comes from Auntie Donna. Most of the persons who watch my video come from Donna Go. Her name is right there in my analysis. So it tells you what time your viewers are online. It tells you it gives you examples of things to do for your channel to grow. It tells me to go live. I used to shy away from live stream, but YouTube tells me to go live. Say go live to get their challenge, to build their community. Go live to this, go live to that. So that's why I'm trying to do some more live. I used to go mostly live on Facebook, but Facebook not doing anything for Jamaica right now. And YouTube is where I'm trying to work hard on. Put anything on here for our ages, so I need to think of an idea of what to post. Just post even a short video. Just post, put it up there until you're ready. Just do something. Some of your live that you do on FB, Tammy, you can do it on both platform at the same time. You can have your YouTube only thing. No music, none, not even copyright, not even for tags say copyright, whatever, you don't own the copyright. YouTube don't allow not even a speck of music like that, unless it's a talk over, voice over, something. But no, I don't even try it. I go to some apps where I have like the YouTube the copyright free sounds and use them. But when you go live and you don't have any music in your video, you can't go live on Facebook YouTube at the same time. I have two phones, one for YouTube, one for Facebook. Everybody know that you mostly do videos and you don't show yourself. Not a problem. You have a lot of people who just do live and just put up rain or fall, Bible verses, this. They not show themselves like that, like I'm showing myself. No. Yeah, so you don't have to. So yeah, you don't have to have separate thing, because you do lives a lot. So why not include the YouTube on it? Some people have all three phones: YouTube, FB, TikTok. Yeah, yeah. Some people have those. So you can do it like that. Also. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, yes, guys. So there are a lot to learn from having a YouTube channel. There are so much things to learn. Person think you just come here, create channel, and just that's it. There's so many things to do and so many things to learn. And if you learn it before and doing it, it comes easy at the end for you. But if you don't never know it like myself, whenever not even know how to create a YouTube and started it, when me do it, me I gonna make a lot of mistakes, and then in the end, I have to correct some of them. Yeah, that's how YouTube is. Just like everything else, yeah, YouTube is like a community that you have to follow for them rules. You can't just and you can't just hurry up monetization. You can't hurry up whatever to get monetized. You have to go through the process and follow their instructions in order to gain whatever you want to gain here. But the most important things is the views and the watch hours. Subscribers are important, but you can do that easily. But the watch hours depends on YouTube, and it depends on your viewers who are going to watch your channel to have you to make you have those 4,000 watch hours as Nation has type. Yes, it's 4,000. It's not that. Let me tell you, the watch hours is like, it's not like when somebody just got to my page. Yes, one person watch it, two person watch it. Yes, and that's all the watch hour. Nope. Maybe if 10 person watch my channel, maybe I get point something watch hours from that 10 person. That's how it is calculated. Very hard and very difficult. The more person have watch is the more watch hour you can have or you can get from that video. But having see me with a 1.1k person watching my videos, that specific video don't give you the 4,000 watch hours. It's more deep than that. It's more than just I watching your video. Yeah, that's how it is calculated. So some person take years to reach it. Depends on how the channel is growing. Some people, if they have a lot of crowd, enough people, if you have enough crowd, when normally sit down and watch you, quick time you reach that. And you think that that's why Auntie always send people to support people. Go over and watch. So go over and go watch that. Go over and go watch. Not just subscribe and run. Watch the videos. You have to just watch the videos. That's important. Yeah. And thank you so much. It's the first I ever gone so long on a live video. I know you guys are having fun and it is excited. Yes, the process is tedious and it's hard to get, but you get there somehow. Don't give up, keep trying, keep pushing. Sometimes when I see like my subscribers, sometimes people subscribe and it gone and watch hours come up and then the next time it go down, feel disappointed. I feel like to give up with that, but I said, why not? Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. It's a process. Just follow the process. Just go with the time and just continue. One day, I will see the fruit of my labor. That's so important. So it was so nice talking to you all today. I enjoyed this live. I must do this some more time without being in the kitchen first. I'm doing it. No, I did no. It's never live. It was a video, but First, I'm doing a live, sitting and just chatting. It feels good. I must do this more often. So the more you work on your channel, the more live you go, the more you send out things, the more you do things on your channel, it will increase and grow. My sister always tell me, and no care anything you do on the road. If you eat your lunch, just do one like a shorts. If you go on the road in the supermarket or buy something, just do one like a short and do something and put up. People just want to see what you're doing because you have a channel and you're showing them your life or whatever. The process of doing something, people are interested in that. So just put up something from it. It don't go against the community and people will watch it. Yeah. And remember, there is a process for you to be seen. It's not every time YouTube push out a video for a person to see it, so you have to know it's a process. I'm telling you, it's a process. Yeah, it's a process. You have to work the process. Yeah. And like some of you guys who are not big, you're small YouTubers like myself, it's a process. It's a process. Yeah. I didn't get to know who is Silver Fox. Thank you so much for coming in. Rudin, thank you so much. Nishana, a little brother, Tammy, Omar Samuel, Jackie, Nishona, who else was here? Tamarsha. So many persons came on and leave, maybe intervals, but thank you so much, Princess Rose Doll. Are you on data or Wi-Fi? It's pixelated sometimes. I'm on data because the Wi-Fi giving trouble. I'm gonna have to look at the Wi-Fi because I'm not seeing it on my phone either. So that's why I don't know what happened to the Wi-Fi. Change back to this. So I'm on data, that's why. All right, so okay, one of the Wi-Fi not working, but the other is good. But I'm on data on this live because I was on Wi-Fi before and it was bad, so I switched over to data. I'm so sorry, guys. And this, I really want you all to get the message. Just a visit. No, so Silver Fox, you're not a visitor anymore. You're a part of Anne's Happy Place community. Thank you so much. And remember, before you go, look for my channel, Anne's Happy Place. Look for that pink rose and subscribe. Before you leave, remember what I said about subscription. You must watch my video for at least a minute before subscribing. And remember to click that notification so you'll get all my notification when I go live, when I upload a new video. You will see all that personal into your notification. All right. Yes, nation a patient because sometimes I feel like I'm not doing no video. Sometimes I feel like me not, because me normally used to just put up like a video on every Saturday and that didn't make sense. One time a week didn't make sense. So I changed it to doing some shorts and doing another video in the week or two, and that still never makes sense. And my sister say, Anne, try push out something every day. Try if even a short video. Guys, the shorts don't go to your YouTube watch hours. The short video. Sometimes I run so much short video enough. In no time, I see 500, 400 views. Shorts go crazy at times and get a lot of views. But those views are not calculated in your regular channel watch hours. Short watch hours is different. For monetization for shorts, you have to have 10 million 10 million something. But in no time, if you send out shorts every day, you reach that in no time, because the short videos them go wild and crazy. Sometimes when me look at me put up something, me see 200 views. Me say, huh? What's going on here? And when we put up like the regular videos, they are not so profitable or fruitful like the shorts. So that shorts, you don't get watch hour from your shorts to your regular videos. Your regular videos is calculated different from the shorts watch hour. Yeah. Welcome again, Silver Fox. Yes. Now you're a part of us, so no more visitor, no more stranger. Yeah, true, Jackie, every day, and I've seen some of your videos making juices before, and yes, I have subscribed to your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And remember to turn on notification, guys, all of you here, so that you will be notified when I go live or when I upload a new video. Yes. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys make me feel good. You guys make me feel like I want to just continue, and you make it one day. Continue, and in Jesus' name. That's what I just say. Rudine, yes, by the help of God, you will get there. And all my videos are original. Most of my videos is me making them. I didn't take them from anywhere. They are my content. I've been to places, or I have made my juice and smoothies and put them up. I didn't borrow them. I didn't take them from nowhere. I might mention a name, which I always mention, Auntie Dara, because she is an inspiration. She pushes us. If you're a plankatarian over here, kudos, bless up on yourself. You can't say Auntie never did telling herself go do something. Go sell like a bag juice in a something. You know, say, let me tell you, I must confess. I put up my juice one smoothie one time, or juice, something on Facebook, and I was say, guys, please like, share, comment as usual, and subscribe. And you know, a couple person seriously calling me and asking me, where's my shop? Where do they go to buy my smoothie? Where's the shop? And I said, don't have a shop. I'm just doing it for my channel. And then the person said, really? You need a shop, man. You need to get a shop. So you see, there and then, if I had a shop, customer would be coming. So if you have a small business and you want to get promoted, don't be discouraged. Put up your smoothie, your juice, whatever it is you're selling, and send out your YouTube video and give this information and give your description and tell person what you're expecting and where they can find it. You will make it. You will make it. You will make it. Yeah, it takes time and everything, but you will make it. There was another point that I wanted to say, but that slipped me for now. But yeah. If you have a business and you want to get support, just create your page, create your channel, create your Facebook, and just put it up there. Auntie tired for tell me that. Auntie tired for tell me that. So if we not do nothing, I feel we fault. You know? If we not do nothing at all, I feel we fall. God is also in the midst of everything that we do. We must just put him in front and just push to the limit. And that's what I'm trying to do. Yes, thank you, Jackie. Love you too. Guys, you wouldn't know how much our Facebook friends have been a store of strength to us. When you see a live coming on, when you don't even see the live and you see people tag you, say this is that live, you feel so nice and feel so important. You don't get the tag or you don't get the notification, but there's somebody who is going to tag you to tell you that Liquor Brata is live, Auntie Dana is live, Latoya is live, oh, T Nation is live. Oh, that's so sweet. Means that somebody is thinking about you all the time. Somebody is thinking about me, and I'm happy for that. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for that. And I know I tag some persons all the time. Maybe sometimes I'm trying to remember names to tag and I don't remember, but yeah, forgive me. But most times I try to tag people to tell them, yes, um, this is live or that is live. Come along and let us just listen and have a good time. The comment section are always festive. Oh my, I love the comment section. Yes, we are family. We are family. We are real family. Thanks for Planka Shop. Thanks for putting us together. We have some nice souls, some sweet people who comes together from day to day. We don't even know each other. Some of us we are strangers, but yes, still we are no strangers. We are family. Yeah. And that's the good thing about it. We are family. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much, Nation. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know it's bun and cheese day, and we are going to eat some more bun and cheese or cook. I look see when I go cook maybe fish again, but maybe fish fillet because I don't have regular fish. I wish I would. I don't like to buy those fish in the supermarket. They don't taste the same like the seawater fish. So I wish you guys all the best for the rest of the day. I wish you a peace and safe rest of the Easter. And I know we will be meeting up in some other shop. Yeah. We're going to meet up again to have more discussion in our comment section. We're not going nowhere. Fun Nation, and we're not going nowhere. Not true. We're here. We're not going nowhere. Yeah. So we know we're going to meet up again in some other shop. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is a big day for our next shop. And we're just going to have fun. Even if it's online or if it's in person, we still have fun. We still have fun. My daughter would say, Mommy, is Auntie Dana you listening to again? Me say, yeah. So you are Auntie Dana. I think everybody goes through that. Everybody goes through that. But we cannot leave out the Planka Shop. We have to in at the Planka Shop because that's where we find our solace. Planka, Brata, all the shops that we have been in. And Latoya just tap it on in the Wednesday and the Friday morning with God in the midst, the prayer, the worship, man, the worship is great. What else can we ask of? We have a full community on Facebook. Full community, Full community. We don't need anything else or anybody to tell us otherwise. The community is full. Some amazing person. I don't meet them in person yet, but I know when I meet them in person, it's gonna be an awesome time. Yeah. Very, very, very amazing. Yeah. They're very amazing people. So guys, take care. Remember, as Auntie Dada says, pray, read the Bible, don't make anything get into your way because God has done it for us already. He was wounded, he died for us, he came back, and we are alive and well. We have him to go to if we need comfort, if we need anything. So we don't have to make anybody steal our joy and spoil up our life because we have the Father who we can run to for comfort. I did this morning and it was great. And look at me. Look at me today. I'm here on live in person. First ever live like this. I normally in the kitchen making something, but it pushed me. Everything else in life, just give it a chance. Just give it a chance. Thank you, Deishona. Thank you so much. I'm proud of myself too. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming in and thank you for making me feel special today. Love you all. Take good care of yourself and your family. All right? Blessings and peace out. I'm gonna count. Nation, I count down from 1 to 10. I don't want to just leave or cut off the live like that. I believe we need to do a countdown so that persons can know at the count of at 10 we will be signing off. I hate to leave you guys, but yeah. You are welcome, Carrie. You are so welcome. You guys can do the countdown, Any one of you can do the countdown so that we can sign off. Yeah. My son have a gaming channel and it's so yes, please go over to what's the name of it? What's the name of your son channel, Nishona? Put it in the comments so that persons can see it and subscribe. It's such a channel. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. Anybody who creates a YouTube channel will know that it's not any walkover. It's not just creating a channel and leave it there. You have to. It's just like a plant. When you plant a flower or probably something in the farm, some of them you can leave and they go by themselves, but you still have to nourish it. You have to nourish it, even though you don't have to water it every day, but you still have to do something to it per day or whatever. It's just like that. You have to nourish the channel. You have to give it food. You have to feed it for it to survive. I will, Nation. I will. I will. And stop being shy. I think it's the shy, Good night, Omar. Enjoy and take care the rest of the day. Yeah, so we're counting down. We are maybe at 5 now. And yes, we're counting down. Everything we do, just put our trust in the Lord. Thank you so much, Jackie, for that. That's it. We are not our own. Even the plane, because I see Auntie put up something. It's true. When I'm in the plane, I said, God, this is the only thing I don't have control over. So you take over. Take it over, Lord. And I won't go off to sleep. Can't do anything. Take it over. Yeah, put the link. Can you put the link? Put the link in the live video. I don't even know how to tag. Let me see. How to, what's this? I don't want to touch nothing and I don't see nothing else. Top shot, live shot. I don't want to touch nothing. I'm not used to it, so I don't touch nothing. Try see if you can, you can put it in the chat, Nation, before I close out the live. Can you? I believe I subscribe already. Can you put it in the chat? Or it can go like that. One big happy family. Yay, it's here. Yes, that's the link. That's the link, guys. So please support. Watch this video before you subscribe so that the the subscribe will stay with him. So watch the video for a minute or so, minute or more, then you subscribe. All right, guys, so have a blessed day, good evening, take care, and be safe. Remember to pray and help somebody along the way who doesn't have bun cheese this evening. Try and see if you can help somebody to bless them with such. All right. God bless you and take care. Love you all. Bye. 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 Bye.